In this video, we will learn about tokenizer in TensorFlow. Tokenizer help us to encode words which can be used for neural network. Let's import TensorFlow from TensorFlow dot keras dot preprocessing dot text import tokenizer from TensorFlow import keras. Let's execute our code. Tokenizer will generate dictionary of words, encoding and creating vectors out of the sentences. Let's put two sentences in an array. I'll make one variable text1 and I'll make a list here and I'll put two sentences here. The first is I like Python and the second one is I like NLP. NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. Let's execute our code. Let's print our variable text1. In the output you can see that we have got our variable text1 and the outputs are I like Python and I like NLP. These are the two sentences in a list. Let's create an instance of tokenizer. We will create an instance of this tokenizer. I'll make one variable and the variable name is tokenizer. Now I will call this class tokenizer which we have imported above. Inside this I will pass one parameter number of words and I'll put this as 100. Number of words is equal to 100. We'll take the top 100 words by volume and just encode those. This parameter is used when we are dealing with lots of data. Let's execute our code. Now we will fit this top tokenizer on our text in this variable text1. We will fit this tokenizer. Let's call it tokenizer dot fit on text and our text is stored in this variable text1. I'll pass our variable text1 here. This will takes in the data and encode it. Let's execute our code. We have done the fitting. Now I'll make one variable word underscore index and in this variable I will call the word index from this tokenizer. I'll call this tokenizer and then we have a property of word index. This is the property. Word index property returns a dictionary containing key value pairs where the key is the word and the value is the token for that word. Let's execute our code. Let's print our variable word index. Print word index. Here you will notice that we have key values. So here I is the key and this 1 is token. Then we have like and the value is 2 for Python 3 NLP 4. You will notice that I have put here I in capital letters, but here you will see after applying this fit on text method we got I in small letters here because the tokenizer has converted all our words into small letters and it has given tokens or number to each word. So these are the tokens or numbers which are given to each and every word. For I it is 1, for like it is 2, for Python it is 3 and for NLP it is 4. And here you will notice one thing that because since it has given or allocated I as number 1 and here you will find I again, so it is not repeating here For all the I, the number will be same 1. So if you look here the I value will be 1, and also here the value of I will be 1. For like, we got the value as 2, and here also you will see like here, for this like also the value is 2. This is how tokenizer works, and it gives tokens to each and every key. This tutorial was about tokenizer in TensorFlow. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.